Mr. Singh, thank you very much for being with us today to commemorate India's 770th Public Day with Panorama India. It's always a pleasure to have you with us. Few things that we would like to ask you today. एक तो we've observed पिछले एक साल में इंडिया कनाडा रिलेशन में बहुत काम हुआ है and keeping that base work in mind, where do you see the relation going in the next 1 year and where do you see Panorama India contributing to it?
Definitely, I think India-Canada relations are on the upswing. The effort is now being put into institutions, multivarious institutions across various sectors, so that once the institutions are in place, we can build upon that. So I feel this is a time when the relationship is going to expand further. We already have seen in last 6 months or so, or 8 months, ever since the visit of our Prime Minister to Ghana, G7 relationship. I mean, we've had multiple visits at minister level from each country. We are going to have Prime Minister and visiting India very soon. So, and you're going to see various joint statements which we are focusing on trade, we are focusing on investment, we are focusing on development, technology transfer. So those things are going to be expanding very fast. But I think what we have always realized, and it's always been true of relationship, that is the people ties. The two countries and the people have got it together. Even when the going was tough, it's the people who kept it on going. And I think you, as Panorama India, is a prime example of that institution that kept the relationship going. I was here. This is my fifth Panorama Day event, and then I have seen even in the not so times the enthusiasm of people, the connect, the initiatives that Panorama India was taking to keep the relationship on, they keep the engagement on, has been really helpful. And I think there's a lot of bigger room that you and the people have to play in the future to get it.
Thank you very much. And I think support from the Consul General of India makes a huge difference in that way. So one more question I have. I think this year we also observed that the Consulate General has done a lot of work in bringing what I call the two continents of the society, like the youth and women, into mainstream. And you've done some good work to bring them, like I said, into the mainstream and focus on them. Is this work mostly focused towards international students or Indians only, or is there something that you are thinking of doing for Indo-Canadian youth and Indo-Canadian diaspora?
You know, it's important to note that when we say our diaspora is 3 million strong in this country, we don't distinguish between Indian national or Canadian passport holder with Indian origin. For us, we are part of the same family. That's why we always say community, we always say diaspora. Diaspora is very much integral part of everything that we do across the world. You very rightly mentioned that this year, last 12 months, we have taken a lot of focus on bringing women and students into our fold. Women specifically because we realize how left behind they are in our initiatives, and we try to consciously make them part of everything that we do. Be it during the Women's Day celebrations across the community, across ATA, but also starting off the one-stop center for women, specifically for women and their needs. But I must always tell people, and I do tell people, that Panorama India is a classic example of a women-led, women-involved initiative where we see the diversity in the gender mix very uniformly distributed. And if the largest event in the community can be done, why not other events also? For students, of course, they have been an integral part of our outreach. They are new into the country. They suffer some of issues. They face issues. But there, we have continued our engagements throughout. We've started going to a lot of colleges, a lot of universities, a lot of student associations. We've started bringing them on board. We do a lot of youth events with them, film screenings, cultural events with them. We try to make them part of the initiative.
I think that's a great effort to make somebody feel at home when they just stand in the foreign land. So, congratulations on these two big initiatives that you have done.